Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm looking at this gorgeous 2-bedroom. This is the model here at the Pearl Rosemont. Oh wow, I mean, I am loving this. So I love the art here too. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? That art is sumptuous. Okay, but now let's focus on here because this is cool. I love all the windows. Are you seeing this? Love all the windows that are here. I just love the feel. And I love just all the functionality that's here. So there's a full bar here with a wine fridge. All that's here. Very, very attractive balcony that's there. I mean, there's so many things to point out about this gorgeous, gorgeous island that's here. Plenty of space for breakfast or any meal, really. And then the kitchen. Look at I love how they put a window right over the sink. Just makes it fun as you're, even just doing dishes or as you're fixing something. You got beautiful views there waiting for you. It's really pretty. The appliances are perfect in here too. Everything's white, bright light. Looks just fantastic. So this is a beautiful, beautiful apartment. You can see there's 2 bedrooms over there. We're going to actually do a part 2 and film those right now. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.